Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you about um, how to put the acrylic on very long nail and its pointy shape. Yeah, the tip that I'm going to put it on for her, it's pointy nail, and I'm not gonna cut it. I will put it the whole thing with the pointy, because right now I think like the very long nail it become like stylish again, like all like young kid they start to do with the long nail again. But anyway, today I'm going to show you about how to put the acrylic on the very long nail with only one two brush, which mean like normally if you do with the short nail you could just put only one brush, and then that's it. But this is because it's very long nail, so I show you about the two brush, and I would like to do the two brush than the one brush, because if you do the one brush sometime it lifting on the top. So if you do two brush, at least you like do it just like a filling, so you kind of like apply acrylic it very good more than one brush. So see how I put the acrylic. So I try to put the acrylic like 80% of the nail. So and then after that I try to like tap it down, and acrylic that I put I try to put it like very thin, not like too thick, not too thin, and then at the end I kind of use my finger to make it like pointy, because if you're using the brush sometimes it doesn't work good. So with the pointy nail, that is my technique. I always do that. Yeah, I mean, if you have your own technique that you do that better than me, you could just use your own. Like what I show you, it's just like my experience with what I did. So yeah, with the long nail, I always do that. Put on the two time of the acrylic, and then I use the hand at the end, like I show you. So just put the acrylic and tap it down, make sure that it's good, and then just use your hand like that to make it pointy. And then if you think like it's still so thin, you just like add it up a little bit, and then when you apply the top, it just like you apply acrylic like you're filling. So make sure don't let acrylic go over your skin. So let me show you another one. So when you put the acrylic, you kind of like try to take the right amount and then tap it down, and then to the end like that, and then try to use your hand to make sure that it's pointy, and then apply another one on the top, and make sure that acrylic not go over your skin like that. Yes. So this is the technique that I put the acrylic on the long nail and very pointy, you know. So this nail, when you see it outside, it's so long, but when I take the video, it doesn't look so long, but outside it's just very long though. Yes, so in this video I just want to show you how to apply acrylic with the two brush. Yes, and then with the pointy nail. Okay, so after I apply the acrylic, it's time to like file. Because I put the acrylic not too thick and not too thin, I just put the right amount, so I don't have to like try to file it so much or drill it so much either. So the shape and everything, it's kind of good already after you apply the tip on. uh it's just like perfect with her finger, so I don't have to like file it too much at all. So yeah, after you file it, for me I always use the small drill to clean it up underneath first before I drill on the top of the nail, because I know that if I don't clean it good, sometimes the customer they kind of pick it, and you know what, when they start to like always picking their nail, it make the nail lifting too. That's why it caused the problem about like the nail doesn't stay good either. Okay, so after I clean up underneath, I kind of use like the drill to drill it on the top. And like I said, because I put the right amount of the acrylic, I don't have to like file it so much. I just file it a little bit to make it smooth, and then that's it. And yeah, uh I I try, it looked like I drill it a lot, but I don't drill it a lot at all. But I take time to drill it because the nail is just so long, it longer than the drill that I use like 3 times. So that's why I kind of like, you know, try to drill it. It's so hard when it's very very long like that. And yeah, I know that now it really like back to style with like very very long nail, and even the shape it with the pointy, with the square, with the straight, with the coffin, it just really in right now. But thank God that where I work, in my workplace, we don't have so many customer that using like very very long nail like this. You know what, it's not easy to do, it just take so much time and it's hard to do too. And plus like some customer, when they don't get used to with the long nail, it's kind of hurt them too. So yeah, after I drill it, I kind of file it again to make sure that the shape and everything smooth and pointy, and then I bob it. So with her nail, I don't have the tip, I just leave with the whole thing. I don't even cut it at all, you know. It's just the whole thing of the tip that I put it on, and then I apply the acrylic. Yes, and I will polish her nail, and then you will see that how long it is. Sometimes, look, it very long. Sometimes when I don't apply the nail polish yet, you kind of like hard to see how long it was. But look at it. It's almost about her pinky nail. It's very very long. I can't imagine with some people that they have this kind of long nail. I don't understand what how they do things. I can't. For me, I just can't do anything with this kind of long nail. But anyway, I mean, if they love it, they might find a way to take good care of it, and they might get used to it, I think. But for me, no, I don't think I going to get used to this kind of long nail. Yeah, that's it about this video. I mean, I try to just try to show you some of the uh, technique of the the long nail, like to apply the acrylic to the long nail, because uh, some of some of people, they kind of know how to do the acrylic, but with the long nail they still don't know the trick yet. So here, after I polish her nail, I kind of do the quick design with the heart, because when I see this kind of long nail, I'm like, oh, we should do something a little bit for fun. So I just put the heart for her very quick. And to make the heart, it's not very hard at all. You just put the 3 dot and then kind of use the brush to make it just like a heart, and then yes, it's easy with the heart. And then just put the 3 dot to make it like something. Yeah, I mean, okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. I just show you very quick with a long nail and pointy shape. And thank you again. I will see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.